Hi everyone, kumusta? Marhaban! Welcome to my vlog. It's me, GN, and this afternoon we're gonna unbox my Mosbeau Collagen Plus 12,000 12000 timeless beauty set. So what we have here is we have here the Placenta White Advanced 30-day supplement and then 5 bottles of Collagen Plus 12000, and then they gave me 2 bottles free for that Collagen Plus. So my best friend Emma has always recommended that I try this, though she never tried it herself, I think, but she wanted me to do a review on this. So I'm gonna do this. I'll take this medication or this supplement consistently for 1 month, and let's see the effect on my skin. I bought this for 3,900 pesos at Watson's. Okay? Yung tindera doon nagsungit pa sa aming dalawa ng best friend ko, and I think feeling niya di namin bibilhin o di kaya di namin kayang bilhin ito kasi minsan Emma and I would go out naka-chinelas lang, t-shirt and pants. So minsan napagkakamalan kaming walang pera. Yun. Na-surprise siya. Nabili namin. Anyways, tingnan natin sa loob. Let's check this out. So, heto na guys. I have isang box, 30 pills ng Placenta White Protein Plus Collagen Food Supplement Tablet. At meron itong horse placenta protein. My God, hindi ko binasa before I bought it. Pero meron siyang horse placental protein, fish collagen, vitamin C, Malpighia glabra, marine salmon egg, elastin, rose petal extract, silk powder, soy isoflavone, at hyaluronic acid. Oh, actually 120 tablets siya, guys. 120 tablets. Oh, so 3 months. 3, 6 na. Oh, 4 months. Sabi kasi dito, 30 days supplement. Sabi dito 30 days supplement outside sa box. Pero kung babasahin mo dito, sabi 1 tablet a day. So, kung ang laman nito ay 120 tablet divided by 30, 3, 6, 9, 12, so bali 4 months. Wrong pala yung label ng package. I need to buy one more. This is awesome. So, sabi dito, other than this description dito sa front, dito naman sa side, sabi ng ingredients dito is, meron din siyang eggshell, calcium, reduced sugar syrup, placental protein from Equus caballus. Ano yon? I don't know. Fish collagen, glycine, crystalline cellulose, maltitol, vitamin C, L-cysteine, gelatin, calcium stearate. Adley fruit extract, Malpighiac glabra, Daucus carota extract, carboxymethylcellulose, marine salmon egg. Meron din siyang gum arabic, rose petal extract, elastin, silicon dioxide, soy isoflavone, silk powder, shellac. Shellac? Hindi ba yun yung linalagay sa mga furniture, shellac? Hyaluronic acid, Candida utilis, hesperidin, beta cryptoxanthin at carnauba wax. Di ko alam kung anong ibig sabihin, but we will do a research after and I will post it here. At the back naman, babasahin natin. This one is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. It contains placenta from Equus caballus or the horse. Buti na lang no, ngayon ko lang nabasa. Kasi if I've read it na galing to sa kabayo, I think low yung chance na bibilhin ko to. Ba't ako kakain ng placenta ng kabayo? Pero ang mahal nito guys. It's almost like $100. So, let's go. Sige na lang. Sabi dito din, caution, consult physician before intake if buntis or nagpapasuso or merong ibang medication. So, this is the placenta white advanced. Ito naman, this is the Mosbeau Collagen Plus 12,000. So, ang active ingredient nito is fish collagen, elastin, hyaluronic acid, coenzyme Q10, vitamin C, L-cysteine, at marine salmon egg. Other ingredients, may tubig, B1, B6, mango extract, mango flavor, galacto oligosaccharide, maltitol, caramel, citric acid, cyclodextrine. Sabi dito, shake well, consume the entire content immediately upon opening. Intake can be daily or on alternate days. Taste best when chilled. So, ilalagay natin to sa fridge mamaya. Cause I want to drink it chilled. So, I have 7 bottles. Titipirin natin no guys. I'm not gonna take it every day. Di tayo ganun kayaman. So, probably mga every other day or every other 2 days, ganon. And let's see how this will work on my skin. By the way, if you are asking what have you put on your lips, so guys, this is the Go-Go tint on my lips. This is the Go-Go tint, and on my cheeks naman, itong lip and cheek stain by Stain Alive. So extremes to guys, no? Ito extremes yung prices nito guys. Ito is like 100 pesos only sa M&L. And then ito siya, I think it's around 20 USD or 1,000 pesos. So yun guys. More than 1,000 pesos kasi isang set siya. 4 lang yung laman and I paid more than 5,000 for that. So, guys, yeah, extremes. Anyways, that's the unboxing of the Mosbeau limited edition timeless beauty set. Bye. Thank you for joining me. Please like and subscribe.